Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2012 Chevy Colorado LT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z7315XX. Only 42,000 miles on this Colorado. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Deep navy in color. This Colorado seats 6, cloth interior. Not only low miles, but very clean, as you can see. Soft tonneau cover. Locking tailgate. And hitch and wiring. Drop-in bed liner. For protection as well as easy cleaning. This LT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 42,000 miles. Tilt wheel, cruise control, shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive, radio and CD player with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, heating and air conditioning, storage in the armrest, otherwise up and out of the way for a middle passenger, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror with temperature and compass display. Under the hood, this Colorado is a 3.7 liter, 5-cylinder, 242 horsepower, and very clean under the hood, as you can see. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7315XX to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.